So, thinking about what you've just shared, can you talk about how our attachment style then impacts on the way we engage with the people that we work with and how knowing that can develop our awareness and understanding?
When we have this self-reflective orientation through an attachment lens, we begin to understand the projection with which we see people. I often tell the story that during my learning of attachment theory, in the analysis of caregivers and babies, through the learning of the care index, which is part of the dynamic maturational model of attachment, that as I studied the serve and return nonverbals back and forth between caregivers and babies, it became very clear over the many years where my own blind spots were, how I was projecting onto the client my internal unconscious bias. And this is never-ending work to appreciate one's own adaptive strategies for safety and how they influence our ability to support our clients, engage in difficult conversations, experience conflict, resolve conflict, and communicate in adaptive fashions that are more targeted to the person that I'm communicating with. So this depth of understanding deeply affects us as clinicians.